Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you left join. What is left join and why we require to use left join? Yes, SQL left join keyword will use to like a combining two or more data tables from the database to fetching as an a result set. When we are going to writing as an a table, which we require all the data from the left table and which are the records are matching with the right table. For the purpose we'll use for left join keyword. Left join keyword will use to get the data row as our convenient to making it in a left part. Now see here, left join keyword returns all the records from the left table, that is table 1. It's my in my words it's in a left part, and the matched records from the right table, that is the right table which what we are specifying the name of the table at the part of the keyword left join we are mentioning there. And with the keyword of left join we are specifying left part on left side. See here in the statement it is showing this is the keyword you assume it, and the left part we have specified a table, it is called left table, and this is the right part we have written about the keyword, that is called it is a right table. Okay, and it is says that the matched records from the right table it will returns the record with the left join. The result is null from the right side if there is a no match case. Okay, if the match case is not there and the row is coming from the left table, so if there is a no data from the right side table, what it should be the seen that empty columns, it will be represent as a null. All right, just to simply see, you can, if you are missed out our inner join concept, go to our previous lecture and visit very clearly and understand about it our inner join session, where you can have a good idea how to use, how to write like a left join and right join and all the joins. Once I have a prepared for this join statement here, see here once again I can write for you. Yes, see, from sales dot orders items, this is the table name I have specified here as O as the alias name of I have applied for this table, and this is the left join. Simply we can make it as left join, this keyword, that's it. This is the keyword, and this is the one more table, production dot products. Production is the name of the schema, and dot products the name of the table. The products table I have specified here, it's on the right side of the keyword. So this is the left table and this is the right table in this scenario of example. For you to better understand, where I am written here that left join means all the data rows from this table, which are the matching rows from the left table in this particular right table, it will be as a created as a result set. If the matching cases rows are not available in right side table, it will be create a null parameter as a value of the column, and it will be creates the data set. Right now, see here, if the table it is in a right, it is in a P, it is an alias name, it is P on with the operator of equal operator I have specified for go for from this table alias name dot product ID, and P it's a dot of product like a products table name, and P as an alias name with the column name of a product ID from the table of products. Very clear? So it is a join is a completed of the left join. So now I would like to take the columns from the tables of from order items like O I can specify, and I can take it as a name of the column, which column I want to take. It's very easy. Like a P dot, you can just press the P alias name of the table, and you can find out what are the columns are available here. That is the advantage and a very beautification, which is a facility is available in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio will offer you to predefinedly read the columns of all the table, what the column names are available. It will be replace you. Just simply you need not to write even the table name. You just select the item from here. That's it. And if you want to make it a more from O dot, you can check it from O. That's it. The quantity I'm taking. This is the way. Once it is the selection, if it is completed, you take the from keyword from table name as O, mention the keyword of join statement and table second table and as B and prepare for this. Okay, now execute the statement. Now you will get the result set. That's it. All you will get the results. These are the from left complete data from the left table and which are the rows are matching from the right table. It will give you the complete data information. All right, this is the way you have to prepare for join statements. In our next lecture, we'll see right join how it will be. It's most probably, I hope you understand about the left join, whereas quite opposite of the right join. That's it. We'll see. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.